What am I doing now? Putting the best primer in the world on. Zinc oxide primer. I honestly think this shit works good. Nice coat of primer. Dries quick. I primer the whole thing and should look a little better. I'll turn it over in a minute. Yeah, I was never good at painting. But primer, I could slap this crap on you all day. And still screw it up. Now, will I put 2 screws in here? I don't know. I might put some bolts in here. This seems to have gone pretty well. Pretty good. This whole build part. I probably could have built this in one afternoon, but I think building stuff over the course of a couple of weeks gives you time to like think about shit instead of just doing it. Rather than be like, yeah, I gotta do it right away and let's get done on a time crunch. You can just kind of like think about it, order parts, do things a little more leisurely. I think I got arthritis in my arm. My arm hurts. Or my elbows, I think. Getting old. I'm getting old. Who isn't getting old, right? Let's wait a few seconds here before I flip the majiggy over. Let me get some gloves. Let me get some rubber gloves before I flip this over. Rubber gloves, rubber gloves. Mr. Rubber Rubber. Alrighty. These things were, rubber gloves were scarce for a while. During the, you know what there, thingamajiggy, 3 billion people went the other side. 3 billion, yeah, right. Where we should all like run our house and got all scared. Let's see. Mosquitoes out. That don't get me to hurry up. I don't know what will. I don't know why I'm recording the whole thing, because I don't think you really need to see me spray zinc oxide primer, right? It's a pretty simple procedure. The whole thing's gonna be red. Red, 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 red. There we go. Mosquitoes, man. Mojitos. I wish it was mojitos. I'd be happy right now, drinking like 5 mojitos. I don't drink anymore though. Quit doing that years ago. Let's see. There's always spots I forget. What am I doing with these spots? I'm either gonna order circles, but I found plugs that go in here and you can screw on adjustable feet. So, and for what? Less than $4? Why not, right? Found a company online that sells really cool fasteners. All kinds of stuff. So thank goodness online. Yeah. Just a spot right there. All right there. Probably asking, like, do you think I put enough zinc oxide in here? No. Probably not. Covering this whole thing with zinc. And I go back and keep seeing spots where I missed. Like right there. Alrighty. Let that cool off for a minute. Cool off. Yeah, like it's a refrigerator, huh? Alright. Good thing zinc oxide primer, like, or even primer, period, dries quick. So anyway, let's lift this up and I'll show you what I got here. All good, all good. What I did today was this. Or, ta-da! I'll put it on the bench with her, show you. Basically, this is what I got. Yes, sir. Got myself a bench base. Pretty cool, huh? Pretty cool. Oh, that's still plugged in. That's still plugged in. Bench base and 20 minutes of cleanup. That's what I got. So yeah, it's all good. This is my cheap, what do you call it? Go-to outside. Just that right there. Little square thing. It's my cheap outdoor bench I use. Anyway, I'll switch to my regular bench.